Hi kids, welcome back to our creative corner. Today, we're going to make some beautiful flowers using just our thumbs and some colorful paints. Are you excited? Let's get started. Choose bright poster colors like pink, yellow, and brown for your flowers. Dip your thumb into a color, like pink or yellow, and press it onto the page to create the flower petals. Make 4 to 6 thumbprints in a circular shape to form a flower. Use a different color, like orange or brown, for the center of your flower. Dip your thumb in that color and press it in the middle of the petal circle. Repeat the steps using different colors to create many flowers on your page. You can even mix and match thumb colors for petals and centers to make it extra creative. Look at all these beautiful flowers. You can hang your thumbprint flowers on the wall or give them to someone special. Thanks for joining me today in this fun thumbprint flower art activity. Don't forget to share your creations and subscribe for more exciting art projects. See you next time.